might as well be a Biohazard video. Right? So guys, welcome to 5150 Underground Noise. First interview on the scene at Ace of Spades. We're here with members of Black Anvil. This is Aldo. I'm Hayden. Can you guys introduce yourselves?
Paul. Great. What time you guys ready to do your thing?
We appreciate you guys for doing this. So, a few questions here. One of the things that really struck me about As Was is that it's really almost sonically different from your previous albums. Was there a different writing style that you went with, or was it more of just the regular direction that you would go with the band?
We were both. I always think you should do something different, challenge yourself, and not do the same shit on repeat. Did that for years in previous bands, and it just creativity disappears and fizzles. And he can tell you all about that. And yeah, so it was sort of a natural progression. Writing is always different, life is always different, so, you know, that's ever changing, but at the end of the day, we're all writing. Yeah, it was just a natural progression, and, you know, having a different headspace than you told me for.
Yeah, one of the things that I wanted to ask is, you've toured with some of the biggest names out there in the kind of extreme metal community. How does this tour with Mayhem and Relation stack up?
It's great. The tour manager, it's tough. Some of that is hard to work with. Touring with these guys, I mean, they're pro and everything is great touring with them. We rarely run into problems touring with bands. You know, we do our shit our way. I don't want to say keep to ourselves, but you know, we respect their own space. It's cool.
The band definitely sucks.
Any that you want to name, or you just gonna leave it at that? Really?
Yeah, sure.
All right, he said it. We didn't. Let's see.
I got his back. Why the roll?
One of the things that has drawn me to Black Anvil is it's an amalgamation of different genres that have all been kind of melded together. I think that the genre and subgenre debate is kind of overplayed and childish. But is there any influences that you have found within the music community for this project? I know
usually shit that I think sucks inspires me because I don't know.
You want to be different.
Yeah. I don't want to be different. I am different.
Yeah.
And that always catches me and makes me thinking outside the box. I don't know. I look internally for influence. I listen to everything, walk on the street, everything to some extent inspires me. But when it comes to the genre shit, I don't think we need to stick to a program or follow a rule book that sounds like this or lo-fi or whatever. Like, if we did that, people would fucking hate on it too. So I'd rather just be myself and let what we sing about dictate why I consider us what we are, you know? So it's Black music, do whatever I want. You know, I read reviews like, oh, it's just doom riff and this riff. Shut the fuck up. Think of something else to say. Listen to what else up fuck. Everyone just wants to like feed off of the surface or something. I don't know, it's like a creative cop out.
If it's not black and white, then it obviously must not be good, is what the general public would.
Sings clean.
Yeah.
Kill him. So, yeah, I think there's a deeper process to, you know, what we do, and that's what I focus on. And we're going to be different always.
Now, do you think that there's any reason to even acknowledge the people that would say, well, they're a hardcore band and you could hear that in their sound, or they're a doom band and you could hear that in their sound? Or do you think just kind of keep the same path and keep going?
I mean, I get it. I read shit. I'm like, well, what am I going to do? Someone's opinion. In the end of the day, means nothing. If I get wound up for a couple of minutes or whatever. Yeah, we were in a hardcore band. I still listen to hardcore. I still listen to everything that I've always listened to. I don't just pretend like I'm one specific thing like a lot of other people do. Or message boards or whatever. It's, you know, I listen to a lot of shit.
At that point, it's not really doing it. I mean, we're like, oh, well, you know, you got to stay true to your fans, but if the people that are talking shit, you know, that's not really your fan base. That's just criticism.
It's like really 5 people always on this.
Exactly. Yeah.
Or somewhere or something, and you can deal with this in all sorts of forms. So Just gotta let it go.
The first album, I've listened to it recently, and there was a lot more. How to word this, like occult, like, you know, a little bit of satanic, I guess. I don't know how to use that word very loosely. A lot of bands think, you know, throw some Satan imagery in there. It's like, oh fuck, you know, it's really badass. But what made you guys do the jump from like taking it from that point of view versus to As Was, where I think, I mean, it's a little more, I feel like it's a lot deeper, you know, there's a lot more.
We grow as people, and you know, you work on things in life, and you grow with that, and I don't know, we just keep taking it to different levels. I really think it's all sort of on the same page. It's not like we're repeating ourselves a million times, but in a way we are.
No, it's good. I mean, a lot of bands that have that stay true to, like, we have to keep this sort of occult, satanic, like dark imagery, and you kind of annihilate yourself from the possibility of evolving. And you know, you see a lot of bands like shit gets repetitive and
Find a way to be creative.
Yeah,
that's why vocally there's different shit happening, musically there's different shit happening. The inspiration is always the same, but the delivery has to be different.
right.
You know, it's like I do different shit every day of my life, but inside, like, it's the same thing that's making my body run, breathing, and I'm still alive. You know, it's like the same thing. Like we keep moving, we're what we are, but you know, we find ways to just do it creatively different.
Well, before you guys signed with Relapse, how was that? Just walking through the process of that first album. I mean, I've been in a few bands here and there, you know, and the biggest problem is everybody wants to kind of put their 2 cents in creatively, which is fine, but you know, how do you go about just the whole recording process before you sign versus
we
to
made
now?
that, a friend of ours in Holland put that record out first. Did a small pressing of it on vinyl and CD, and when we signed Relapse, they reissued it just to buy us some time.
Okay.
So we were doing that on our own anyway. And luckily, a friend of ours was like, "Fuck, I'll put it out." He was a really good friend. So from the whole music. So yeah, it just sort of worked.
All right. Well, we know you guys got going and set up. We really appreciate it.
And
Thank you guys.
right there.
All right. Thank you guys. We appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you.
All right, man. Thank you.
Thank you
Look
very
forward
much.
to the show tonight. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you. For 5150, Hayden Johnson, Aldo here at Ace of Spades. Subscribe, like, comment. All applicable links will be down below to all of our media pages. Go check it out. Thanks for watching. Think for yourself, and we'll see you next time.